Feel that beautiful pulse inside yourself. Connect to that love. Feel it growing stronger as we all connect to the love energy and radiate it around us. Feel it growing more brilliant with the light of your love. Feel it holding us in a gentle embrace. This is your sacred space, a space of love, light, truth, and joy.
She did that on purpose.
You have come a long way to be here at this moment in time. Not simply geographically, every single minute of your lives so far was absolutely required to bring you here, to this point, on this magical day.
Boo Bear. I am so excited to walk this journey with you. You always know how to make me feel better, and I can't imagine surviving a pandemic without you.
Lindsay. Sorry. The last 3 years, you've made life tolerable, easy.
On our first date, we went for that hike together, and I thought the hike came to an end, and you grabbed my hand, and you said no.
It's just the beginning. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
May your marriage be a path of ever deepening, ever broadening love that you travel together throughout eternity. And you may kiss to hold this true.